Alright, I'm going to be doing Atmospheres Always Coming Back Home to You. To all my villains and my $100 feelings. To emo kids that got too many feelings. Held the register open while he counted her change. I was next in line, which meant I wasn't visible. From where I stood, I could see that the till was full. He didn't look the type to play superhero, so I set forth and paid for my cigarettes. Crept out the store's front door to chase a little breath. Bangles in my head, shake the song off. Another manic Monday night, it's gonna be a long walk. Car pulled up, a fixed up cutlass. A woman and a child climbed out and left it running. They went inside of the deli, placed an order with that extra $1.50 bottled water, cause the daughter's picky. When they came out, mommy gave me a glance and said, man can love an angel, but he's gotta take the chance. Already knew the deal, lit one up and walked. Then they got back in their Oldsmobile, bolted up and took off. Thug love on the corner by the Walgreens, looking at me like I'm just another square saltine. As I get closer, I notice they're showing each other sketches out of their notebooks, reminding me of my old roots. Walk past with a nod and a reminisce. Swear to God, hip-hop and comic books was my genesis. Respect the life and the fashions of the children is the only culture I've got. Exactly what we've been building. All of a sudden, I'm in front of some man. Now he's a youngin', but he got a gun in his hand. He looks 15, he looks frantic, no, he looks afraid. Immediately apprehensive till I heard him say, do you want this? It's not mine, I promise. Found it on my block in between a couple garages. Didn't want to leave it for a child to stumble over. I don't even know how to hold it. It was a 38, the poor man's machete. Held it in my hand thinking, damn man, it's heavier than expected. Wedged it behind my belt buckle, knowing it was evil. Even thought that I could smell trouble. The extra strength felt weak, but over there on the corner saw what I needed and proceeded to cross the street. Put the heat in the mailbox to lose it. Figured that the post office knows what's best to do with it. Mosey down the road, thinking about the old. I used to roam this zone through 2 feet of snow right here. This used to be a record shop. I've gotten love, I've gotten drunk, I've gotten beat up in that parking lot. Had my Lake Street pride for 3 decades. These alleyways and these street lights. I've seen my best days before I was a germ, learning how to misbehave all the way to the grave. Southside is my resting place. Took a ride on Lindale. It's getting near, but then the road became empty and the people disappeared. Clouds ran away, opened up the sky, and one by one I watched every constellation die. And there I was, frozen, standing in my backyard, face to face, eye to eye, staring at the last star. Should've known, walked all the way home, found you wasn't here, I was still all alone. No matter what I do, always coming back home to you.